Welcome back to Love Vegan, and we are in beautiful Thailand for this series of Thai cooking classes. So we're going to be cooking some of the most popular dishes in Thailand, taught to us by Chef Chi. And where are we at the moment?
We are in Shallots, Shui.
Yeah, so this is a 5-star hotel in Samui, and the chef here will teach you how to make some of the best dishes. So this week we're going to make whatever pops up on the screen right now, and with the aid of Chef Chi we're going to teach you how to make this beautiful Thai dish. So the ingredients today is some lemongrass, some galangal, some Kaffir lime leaves, some limes, some Thai chilies, cherry tomatoes, onions, some small needle mushrooms, and some red shallots. Slice lemongrass at an angle to create some long strips. Then thinly slice some galangal and plate it with the lemongrass. Next up, destalk the lime leaves and then tear them in half. Slice chilies in half lengthways. And take one of your limes and slice it into 3 pieces. Simply smash your shallots with the back of the knife, and then cut the ends off the mushrooms and plate up with the other ingredients. Cut a piece of your onion into some large pieces, and that's simply all the prep work done. We can get on to cooking. First up, into a pan, put 10 small ladles of coconut milk and put this on a low heat. Add 1 level teaspoon of salt. Once it is warmed up, add galangal, lemongrass, lime leaves, shallots and chilies to the pan, and then simmer this for a few minutes to release the flavours. Next up, add 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, add a small piece of palm sugar and stir the ingredients. Then add the mushrooms, an onion, and give the pot a gentle stir. So bring this to the boil gently for a few minutes, and then add a few of the cherry tomatoes and squeeze a few slices of the lime into the pot. And then simply test to see if you need to adjust the salt, lime or sweetness ratio. If you follow this guide, you should find it pretty good. I think at the end here we just added a pinch more salt. And it's as easy as that, your dish is ready to serve. This is a really simple Thai dish to make, and it's one of those dishes where so many flavours are released. Definitely recommend a try. Thank you very much for watching this week's cooking video, and as you can see, this dish was super easy to make, and I can guarantee it was incredibly tasty. If you want to see more on this Thai cooking class, click on the next video coming up. We'll leave full details of the Sala cooking class in the description box below, so if you're coming to Thailand, come to Samui, you can actually do this class yourself with Chef Chi. I guarantee you won't be disappointed with the results. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you next time.